What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Richie Rich Mo, back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We are growing every single day. Today is a great day, man. Make sure you guys click that subscribe, but also make sure you guys follow me on Twitch. I'm now officially a streamer. So basically, on my Twitch platform, all I'm going to be doing is doing like when I go to car shows, car meets, anything like that. I'm gonna hop on Twitch and give you guys the content over there instead of making a video of car meets on here. So I'm just gonna literally go to car meets live, be on it forever. So yeah, and then when I go on my Twitch, I'll be streaming for like hour plus. So make sure you guys go over there, support me with that. I would definitely appreciate it. I'm officially monetized to make money to do what I love, making content. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be all car related. Sometimes I'll be hanging out with some ladies and stuff like that, and yada yada. So we get there to another day. So anyways, I call this my warehouse, but it's my storage where I keep my cars parked at and stuff like that. So we here at the Honda one. I have another one for my Nissans. Stay tuned for that. But anyways, we are here. I got the EG hatch, about to bring it in here for a little bit. Gotta run this car. This car I haven't been running in I haven't had this car running in 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks, or something like that. So got my little battery thing, so I'll keep the batteries, whatever's in the storage. I make sure I keep the battery on, make sure the battery don't die. But I'm gonna turn the car on, let it run a little bit. Yeah, so right here, I'm gonna flip the camera around. So right here we have the Nismo wheels for the 300zx. The 300zx will be ready either tomorrow or Friday the latest. I'll talk a little bit more about that, but check these out. These are the 370Z Nismo wheels. This is the version 2s. This was on my brother's new Nismo 370Z. He gave me these because he ended up getting new aftermarket wheels, and these are like damn near in good shape. My brother took good care of these, so these will be on the 300zx. Yeah, so I'm happy about that, and I'm just hella happy. Look at this at. Because the blue wheels that's on my 300zx, I don't know what previous owner put that there, but it looks so stupid. Basically, on my 300zx, there's I think they just 350Z wheels, but they look like they plastic dipped it or painted it. It looks so horrible. So yeah, we're gonna be putting the 370Z Nismo wheels on the 300zx once we get it. Also, what else? Yeah, so the 300zx is literally ready. It's been gone for 5 months. And like you guys seen on the last video, we went to go check on it, but there was one thing that we needed. Well, it's two parts that we needed. I just hit up Z-God. He basically said everything is put in, all the fluids are in and stuff. The main thing we need was the one was a what is it? Anyways, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna just put it on here on the camera. So right here, you see that's the parts that we really needed, but we needed two of them, two little parts, but they are not sold individually. And now, like Concept Z, they sell them in kits. So basically, we're going to be getting extra hoses and stuff like that. So it's cool because basically I'm buying extra shit, but it's going to be all needed, and we're going to use it, and it's just going to keep the car even better. And there's nothing OEMs on the car as far as hoses and stuff like that, because all them shits were like over 30 years old, you know what I'm saying? And now with the new stuff Concept Z does and Z1 Motorsport, they all have updated stuff that, you know, that's modern and much more efficient and much more durable. So we got that going on. So right now here, about to get the car running, turn the car on, let it run for a little bit. I got some tires I got to take out the EG hatch, about to store it in here, and then we just get ready for tomorrow. I paid for overnight shipping this morning, so they end up texting me today. UPS is going to be sending it to my house in between 12 noon 4 p.m. tomorrow. So I'm praying that it comes early in the morning so I can just drop it off at the shop, and then hopefully have the car done tomorrow if it's early. But if it's not early, then for sure Friday, for sure Friday, because tomorrow's Thursday. Yeah, so tomorrow, I can't even talk. This was like this. Damn, 300zx is gonna be here. So, Carol, let me turn this car on right now because I'm ready to get out of here. It's hot as shit, and I gotta get some tires that my brother had bought for his aftermarket wheels, but the tires are too big in the front. So I'm gonna go to my guy and see if I can swap those out for 2 tires and pay for 2 tires. for this one because it's a stagger build. So yeah, let me get this going. All right, I'll be right back. UPS is here. The packages are coming off the truck. Got the package. Now it's time to go drop it off. Let's go. We got the package. About to drop it off to the shop. And let's go from there. Let's see.
We're ready to go.
Ooh, that shit look good, man. Oh yeah, damn it, bro. This looks so clean. Like, it looked brand new.
It does.
Oh my gosh. Oh yes. I'm excited, bro. Damn. Damn, you clean it that good too?
This has to be cleaned up. Everything.
Jeez. Bro, it looks like it just came out of factory.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bro. I'm excited. This is gonna be, damn. You did your thing, bro. That looks so good. It looks like a clean block. Just
yeah.
Wow. I'm so excited, bro. You don't understand.
The only thing we needed was just those hose.
Just the hose.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Hey man, it was difficult nowadays. I don't
Yeah.
know why.
Yeah. Yes. Because it's not a high demand. It's like because nobody drives them no more. So this looks good, bro. I'm excited, bro.
Yeah,
Jeez.
that's pretty much it. And now that we have this, we can start pulling it on and.
It's all good. Oh
Set it
yeah,
up.
I'm excited. I'm excited, bro. Cause yeah, I had ordered a blue one, but then that shit said it was not gonna be here till October. I was like, oh no. So I called and they say no, they had to replace because they said the blue one was out of stock. So they said they had black. So I said, just throw it. Cause when I do turbo anyways, I'm gonna have to replace them anyways, right?
Yeah. Well,
Oh shit. Well, some of the stuff is blue. Okay, well one of them, I guess. Wow.
no.
Wait, everything came blue. Bro, I called them. I think.
These are the ones. Honestly, this is gonna be hidden, so you're not gonna be able to see these.
Oh, okay. Okay. What's
So,
that?
yeah, these there, but the rest of the stuff is blue.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited because he didn't tell me. He just said, "Okay, I'm gonna just change everything for blue. I mean for black because there's no blue." I'm like, perfect.
Wow.
Now it's blue.
Yeah, and you need those
Oh
because
my
the one you had
gosh.
is gone.
Right.
So, yeah, bro.
Oh, I got blue, bro. I was so defeated. I was like, damn, I wish I had the blue, but because I was like, once we do the turbo, I'm gonna have to get new hoses, right?
Just for the turbo hose.
Oh, just turbo hose. Okay.
If you're gonna get the turbo kit, everything comes there.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, but you're not gonna need to worry about color because you barely can see it.
Can we get? Oh, okay. So okay.
You're not gonna be able to see
You
it
won't see
under
it
it.
under it. Okay. Okay.
So.
Damn. Oh yeah, I'm excited, bro. I'm juiced.
Yeah.
Bro, it's like, and then I just be watching so many damn videos of the 300zx and GTR, like the old GTRs, the R32s and stuff. And it's just like, oh man, I can't wait. I just really can't wait, bro. But I'm excited, bro.
This is actually. That's all we needed, man.
Perfect.
Let me see.
Damn.
Got the radiator hose. Yeah.
Everything. I'm happy. Shit, I'm glad it's blue. Shit, something's blue. I mean,
Yeah.
something. I gave him the parts. I'm excited. The parts are blue. You guys, I'm super excited that the hoses are blue. And let me tell you why. So yesterday, when I ordered a Concept Z, I ordered some hoses. And I wanted blue because I'm doing something super special with the engine bay. You're going to see on the motor, we changed some stuff. I made blue instead of black. So kind of want to give my engine bay some nice looking look to the car. But anyways, I ordered some blue hoses because it matches. Because if you didn't know, my 300zx, it got blue big brakes and stuff like that. So kind of want to add that little blue thing. But anyways, when I ordered and I needed everything to come for today, yesterday, I needed everything so we can finish this and we can start driving the car. So to sum everything up, I needed it for today. The order said it was going to come on October 20 something. I'm like, oh hell no. So I had to call Concept Z and I was like, I need my parts by tomorrow. Why is it like coming in October? So they was telling me basically the parts that I ordered blue were not available. So they swapped it out. And I guess whatever they swapped out was like a few little pieces you guys seen on the camera. It's black, but the rest of the hoses are blue. And I like that just because I just want to give it some type of character when I open up the hood. And yeah, so I'm excited. So I'm back happy because at first I was kind of a little disappointed. I was like, oh damn, okay, it's whatever. I just need my parts to get here so we can get this car rolling. So now that we got the hoses, that's all they needed, and we back. We are back. So I am happy with that. it's just crazy, bro. I'm just excited to have this car. I'm ready to drive it. It's been like 5 months. I only driven the car for like 15 minutes before the head gasket blown up on me, and yeah, so I had to rush over here. I'm gonna go back home, relax, chill, get ready for the football game, preseason, and yeah, bro's car right there. Let me show you this. Finally made it to the crib. Just excited, but just really in dying need of my car. I'm ready to drop some content. I've been going over some game plans to give you guys good videos and changed up a lot, and just go crazy. So once this car get here, it's on a whole nother level. Also, we got a Widebody kit coming as well. I bought a Widebody kit for the 300zx, so we're gonna be doing Widebody kit. We're gonna be doing airbags on it. Just stay tuned. You guys are gonna really love what I'm about to do to this car. This is my ultimate dream JDM car, so we are definitely going to go up and beyond. And once I get it, probably drive around for like 2 months and then take it back to the shop and get the turbo kit installed and get it tuned and go crazy. I really want to build a 1200 horsepower car, and we're gonna make that happen. So stay tuned. The next video will be me picking up the car and giving you guys the first drive that I didn't give you guys. So thank you guys so much for the support. Please share the channel, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. We out. Peace.